It is not your mother's collagen product. Fundamentally, it is the most complete beauty supplement that has been clinically proven for its to deliver benefits to your skin. For example, we have one of the major ingredients in it, and obviously it's collagen. But it's not just any collagen, it's a particular and specific collagen peptide that can actually stimulate your skin cells to produce collagen and also at the same time act as a building block to build more collagen in the skin tissue. The second major ingredient in this particular beauty-focused product is an antioxidant that is called lutein. And again, this is obviously, as many of you who have been with Nu Skin for many years, you can imagine we know a lot about antioxidants. And we did not want to choose an antioxidant that doesn't selectively get into the skin tissue because it's not going to do any good. So we evaluated and sort of screened hundreds of different types of antioxidants, and we have landed and identified this particular antioxidant that's called lutein. And it is important. And in a few minutes, I'll let you sort of into a secret why we chose lutein, because I think you agree with me that based on the scientific evidence that we have obtained with this particular antioxidant, it delivers really important benefits to the skin. In fact, just as much as the collagen ingredient does. And the third ingredient that we have blended into Beauty Focus is a particular class of molecules or substances that we call phytoceramides. And we all recognize that in order for the skin to stay healthy, looking radiant and so on, it's really to have a lot of moisturization occurring in the skin tissue. This is what we call hydration. And what we find, the key property with this particular phytoceramide class of molecules is the fact that it can actually literally hang on to the water in the skin so that it doesn't get dehydrated and make your skin look dry. So these are three major ingredients that we have, and that is why we really believe in Nu Skin that this is the first time we have developed a product that's the most complete, clinically proven beauty supplement. In other words, it delivers beauty from the inside out. Now, when we talk about collagen, we notice that many of the competitive products that we have evaluated and looked at and analyzed, we find that they use the parent collagen molecule to be blended into the final product. We did not think that is really the most optimal way of delivering collagen to the skin. So once again, our Nu Skin scientists went to work and identified and evaluated a whole series of different types of collagen. We look at the parent molecule, we look at through its patented process, we actually literally cut up and slice up the collagen molecule into little bits and pieces or fragments of them. Some are big fragments, some are small fragments, and we evaluated all of them and really managed successfully to identify the most potent collagen fragment, what we call the collagen peptide. It's a very small molecule, and our studies show it actually enters the blood very quickly, and importantly, it also enters it in much higher levels than the parent molecule. And finally, it gets delivered to the skin tissue, and I've already alluded to the fact that it acts as a building block to make more collagen, and also at the same time, it can literally stimulate the skin cells to produce more collagen. But that's not all. In fact, during that particular stimulatory phase, it can also make another skin protein that is as important as collagen, and that is elastin, which keeps, obviously, your skin to bounce back. In other words, it increases or improves skin elasticity. Very important, collagen and elastin. And to us, it's one of the most exciting findings that we have found with this particular collagen peptide, which unlike the parent collagen protein, this one has dual action on the skin, which then translates to incredible benefits. Now, when you look at this particular peptide, we obviously, as I've already mentioned to you, it stimulates collagen synthesis. The next question that we really want to know is, does it really mean anything? Can you actually visually see the outcome of these sort of molecular or scientific mechanisms that are happening inside the skin tissue? So we, as usual in Nu Skin, we conduct clinical studies. It's a very unusual practice in our industry, and that is to conduct clinical studies with the final product. And what our clinical studies show, in summary and very briefly, is the fact, indeed, the skin, it becomes more elastic, and because of that, it also can reduce wrinkles. Very important benefits that you can get from the beauty-focused product. As a scientist, I like to show you the data, right? So this is going to bore you a little bit, but I think it's important. When you look at these kind of data, it is really not about me telling you that this product is great. It's the data that shows you that it's real.